Hello everyone, welcome back to Aerospace Engineering powered by Your Engineer. We provide all the information related to aerospace engineering, whether it is from higher education, abroad studies, training and placement, GATE exam, other competitive exams. Everything related to aerospace engineering is talked about in this channel. So if you haven't subscribed it, subscribe it right now, hit that red button, press the bell icon for notifications. In the previous videos, we have talked about the various subjects which are aerodynamics, aircraft structures, aircraft propulsion, flight dynamics and control. And since we have started the subject series, the main subject about astronautics. Okay, astronautics is a field of aeronautical engineering or aerospace engineering, you can say. But astronautics is also very necessary if you want to study about spacecraft and how to work in that particular space industry. So space mechanics is a very important subject. If you talk about the GATE aerospace engineering, space mechanics has a very less contribution, where you can say like one question from 1 marks, 2 question from 2 marks, or 2 question from 1 marks, 1 question from 2 marks. Only this ratio, 3 to 4 questions only come from space mechanics in GATE aerospace engineering. If you want to prepare for GATE aerospace engineering for 2022 or 2023, you can register for the scholarship test that is being conducted by Your Engineer, and the link is given in the description box. The scholarship test is on 15th and 20th February. The batches are starting from 25th February 2021. So in the space mechanics, we will see the scope, syllabus and the job prospect. So the scope of space mechanics. In India, the scope of space mechanics is very less and only limited to ISRO, DRDO and the government companies. But that time is over because many private companies are also coming. Like you can see Skyroot Aerospace, Bellatrix Aerospace, Agnikul Cosmos. Okay, these are the companies that are coming in the space industry, private space industry in the India. So you can also get a job there if you have expertise in space mechanics. But being an expert in space mechanics is quite tough because it's not everything related to aeronautics. It's something different, and a lot of vectors are used in this particular field. So if you have a great command in mathematics, then only you can be expert in space dynamics. Space exploration is a different thing. Space dynamics mechanics is a different thing. Space exploration means you get to knowledge about the Earth, Mars, Mercury and every planets, how nebula is forming, how stars are forming, like all the theory portion of it. But everyone can know that by reading some books. But the major portion is that how to calculate the radius of an orbit, how to calculate that the trajectory, how to make the trajectory for an orbit transfer, how to calculate the trajectory for going from one planet to different planet, whether it is from higher range to lower range to higher range, how you can do that. So Hoffman transfer is the best orbit maneuver transfer is there. So you have to study about all those things. Okay, Lagrange's theorems is also there. There are so much things about that you have to study in space mechanics. If you talk about the scope of space mechanics, the most of the space mechanics scope is in the abroad, where you can be in the observatories, you can observe those things, you can also learn those things. Other than that, in India also, if you want to pursue your career further in astronomy, okay, that will help a lot. Okay. So the syllabus of the space mechanics is about the Kepler's laws, motion about the space, motion in space, radius of orbit, how different are the orbits, like what is elliptical orbit, parabolic orbit, hyperbolic orbit, circular orbit, how to go from one orbit to different orbit. Okay, and apogee, perigee, axis of rotation is there. Okay, interplanetary motion can also be studied in there. Other than that, orbit maneuvers are there, in transfer, out transfer. There are various things that can be studied in space mechanics. Okay, and if you talk about the job prospect related to space engine, this is space mechanics. So in job aspects, you can talk about the space engineer. Okay, now SpaceX, let's talk about a company SpaceX that's founded by Elon Musk. SpaceX generally don't hire people from other countries. That's because that's a private issue. Actually, space industry is a security issue. So most of the countries will not hire you until you have being studied in that particular country, or you have done a course in that country, you have done internships in that country, or you are resident of that country. Until unless that, most of the companies don't hire you for the security reasons. Similarly, India will also do that. Okay, it's not different, because that thing are a kind of competition and a kind of a market. It's also a market. Like you know that ISRO is putting satellites, 100 satellites in space, 200 satellites are being carried out in various months. PSLV is going, GSLV is going, but why these things are happening? Okay, why a country is hiring India to put their satellites in the space? Okay, whether it is broadcasting satellite or news information satellite, anything, because they are being managed. Like they can't open a space industry just to get the satellites in the space. So they put the order for the space satellites for ISRO. Okay, now ISRO do that thing in the economical way. So that's why ISRO has a lot of confidence regarding the satellites in the space. And other companies from like European Space Agency is there, China Space Agency is there, Russian Space Agency is also there. They offer high rates of putting that. Our recent news about space mechanics is that Dubai, UAE has reached in the orbit of Mars. So you can say that there are various job prospects in space mechanics, but it's rather less than other fields of aeronautical engineering or aerospace engineering. Okay, but I want you to check these companies in India itself, which is Bellatrix Aerospace, Agnikul Cosmos and Skyroot Aerospace, because these three startups are working in space industry and they have been partnered also with ISRO and DRDO for making efficient missiles, making efficient rockets. Tata is also entering into the security industry of like missiles. BrahMos missiles are also there and all the other missiles. So you can see in space mechanics you can study about ballistics also. Ballistics is also a good option if you want to get the job prospects. Ballistics means study of missiles, bombers. Okay, these are the things which can be studied in space mechanics. Okay, because that also have a trajectory thing. So this will be all about space mechanics. Yeah, so tell in the comments how did you like this video. Like this video, share this video, comment on this video, and also subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon for more notifications. Okay, and in the next video we are going to talk about aircraft materials. Okay, so thank you very much and stay connected.